Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to thread a bobbin on a Brother LS-1217 sewing machine. First things first, we extend the thread post, and then we're going to place our thread on the post, and then we're going to go right to this little disc on top here. We're going to go on the front of it and then around towards the back, and then we're going to grab our bobbin, which is right here, and if you look, there's little holes on the side. There's one right there. We're going to thread from the inside towards the outside. And then once that's done, we're going to place the bobbin on the bobbin winder, and then pull all the slack back in. And then all we're going to do is push the bobbin winder in, and then we're going to start pushing our foot pedal, and it'll start winding. And once it pushes against this little disc here, it'll push this back out and stop itself from winding. And another added feature of this machine is usually you have to loosen a piece on the wheel here and then push your bobbin over to stop the needle from moving. But this machine, when you click this over, it does it all by itself. And you'll see, even if we keep going, it's not gonna move the bobbin because it's full. And then you would just take the bobbin and push it back over, pull the bobbin off, and just cut your line and put it back into your bobbin case, and you're good to go. Hopefully this was helpful. Please like and subscribe.